as possible.
Okay.
In F.
So
Mm.
normally we will all play.
So play the whole song first.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I'll try and sing. You know I'm the best at it. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are wonderful. I think when you are doing it in F sharp, you flow.
no, I want to play the basic chords first.
Oh Lord, okay.
So in F sharp, I did something. If you
I wasn't concentrating.
Alright,
now
so
let me concentrate.
I did a suspended
Yeah.
chord over here on B, which is the fourth of F sharp.
So you have the fourth and the first on your left hand.
Yeah.
And you're having the fourth,
the
fifth,
and
the
then
first, and the
octave,
fourth again.
and then the fourth again, octave higher. So now I can also start on the third. For you are wonderful. So the 3 to the 4, suspend on the 4 to the 1. You are to the 5. But the 5 here, I did what we call, I added the seventh of C sharp if you are considering it as a root. The flat 7 rather. So it's gonna be up to the 1. Over here, you can see that I have my C sharp, I have my G sharp or A flat, I have my B, I have my E flat, I have my F here, and I have my
A flat.
Yeah. So it sounds very sweet if you normally use them instead of going straight to the C sharp major. So over here, that's the chord.
So it's basically hit the chord again. So it's basically
C sharp, dominant 7,
added 9th,
added 9th,
added, I think.
No, that's all, added 9.
Yeah.
So the only difference in the C sharp major scale is the flat 7, and then the 9 here we added it. So suspended to the 4. Then and such chord we don't play them harsh.
Okay.
No, just So if you have your audience at heart, you could hear some sound from those that they know music. Someone will be like, push. That's so nice. Over here, another one over there. To there.
That's a tritone.
Yeah.
On the left.
I did a
tritone on the left.
Yeah. I did a tritone on that was a D, and then sometimes we normally forget we have them in mind, but we play them. Yeah. So A flat, then we have D, we have the F sharp, and then we have the B.
Yeah.
So
It's good. It's a nice
sometimes you can consider this one as, this is a B minor, inverted, and the B minor is just your root and the flat third, and then the 5. So I'm taking this one higher to the other side. So then,
so you added a C.
yeah,
B minor, added C.
yeah.
When you spread it out, it's
B
more
minor,
of a tritone.
B minor, yeah,
over
tritone
the
over there.
feet,
Good.
then back to the first.
Oh, Chifu, yeah, the only course needing me. Okay, so I'm going again. Continuing, I have my 6 on the. We are still dealing with the F sharp, so 6, and then our 1, which is the E flat and the F sharp, and then the third B flat, the 6th E flat, the 7th F, and then the 3 again to the. So it looks like. Actually, it's a 13th.
That one is actually when you take out the bass.
Yes.
Basically, E flat suspended second.
Good.
Basically, or you could say.
Yeah, E flat suspended. Sus 2.
And what was the bass you played?
The bass was just E flat minor.
Okay.
You see the way it moves. So looking at the E flat, natural minor scale, it's inside over there.
Yeah.
You find the second, So
you had the E flat and the F sharp on your left.
Sharp.
And you had B flats, F, and back to B flats
Sharp.
on your right.
Sharp.
Okay.
Then I did a passing movement over there.
Okay.
After landing on this one.
Okay. On the left, that was an F tritone.
Yeah, F tritone.
That's F D.
To another tritone movement again.
D and A flat.
Yeah, D and A flat.
And on the right?
On the right, I did an A minor. Sorry,
You did some
G sharp
slash
minor.
three.
Okay, so I did a slurring from over the tritone over here. So from here down to this one, then back to the 4 again. So it's just a passing note to end up on the 3.
Okay.
So here I changed. I'm doing a B minor 6 over here on my right hand. D, and then I'm doing the second of F sharp.
Okay.
So that's for that. So after now over here, the bass moves straight to the 5, but the right is on the 1. Normally we used to call them do over so.
Yeah.
So we have do on the right, you have so on the other. Then the 7th chord again for the C sharp.
Okay.
So I normally use them more times. So
when you get to so the feet. Flat 5, then back to 5.
Oh, okay. So I shouldn't play it over there.
You play the 5 again on your left.
On the left.
Yeah.
So
just what you did. Then back to flat 5. Then back to 5 again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So going to be like a half diminished chord, because the 5 here, if I'm to express it, it's going to be C sharp, C diminished chord.
C diminished, yeah.
And then my note is going to be on this. Okay. You just half diminished chord. Yeah. Half diminished chord. So this is actually the half diminished chord.
Yeah.
So sweet. Just end.
Not bad.
Wow, so sweet. So my only advice is we should sometimes apply what we learn. Just the 5. You can find a way of playing another 5.
Okay.
Looking at your chord, if you've really learned a chord, there's just a C sharp major. It's just a C sharp suspended.
Second.
Yeah. sus2. And you can even use this one. You can also use this one. They are all the same thing. Some may even end up using the 7th chord, but depending on the context.
Sometimes the 7th chord is nice, but I think that people have overused the 7th chord because of the jazzy feel.
Yeah, it's purely jazz. Purely jazz. It sounds good. I won't lie to you. Sometimes when I play my 5, I normally play this chord.
Okay.
And it's a C sharp major 7th chord with a 9. And how come I get 1? It sounds too so. But you have to make sure your bass is out. And that is the bass that gives you your chord. Your roots is always more important.
Okay.
Yeah. But if you're playing rootless too, and it's too rootless. So I think let me play all together.
All together.
So actually we can pick some things out